Welcome back to a hold up. This is good spot. But anyways, guys, today I am going to be recording myself play Pizza Tower while eating pizza in a Ghostbusters outfit. Hold up, I got pizza. Hold on, let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna be eating that later. But let's do this. I already know how to do it, but because I played Pizza Tower before. And Pizza Boy, get over here. Bonkers. Give me another. Gimme. Wasn't it like? Yep. Yeah, it worked like that. Wee. And this is just too easy, man. Just kidding. I'm gonna do it. Bang. Whoa. La la la. Man, there's no timer. I don't care. La la la. Lap 2. Oh shit. Uh, no rank? No rank. That thing just blew up anyway. Maybe I should position the camera more here. No, stop falling. Jesus Christ. La la la. Oh yeah, crap. Time to play John Gutter. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna take my first bite of my pizza. Hold up. Anyways, I'm done taking a bite of my pizza, and now time to play John Gutter. I can't fit my hand in here, but hold up. Hello, cheese. Die, cheese. No. Give me the pineapple, Jimmy. Yeah, Zoomy. If you guys want me to play the noise one, I can do that. If you want me to play co-op mode, I have no friends, so just kidding. Whoa. Bro, I slowed it down? What the heck? Crap. Not in the wrong time. Ow. Stop it. Oh my god, why did I sound so zesty? Jump. No, stop. Oh my god, I forgot how Pepino was, bro. How it just kept climbing walls. Oh yeah, Super Taunt. I forgot Super Taunt didn't exist. Ooh, wiener. Don't ask. I'm not sus. You're sus. You're sussy among us. Sussy among us. Boom. Okay, you know what? I'm a speedrun. I'm out. Give me out. Give me out. Crap, I forgot. I keep forgetting how to do this one. No, what the hell button was it? I think it was, I am a doom. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna speedrun real quick. You know what? Let me just skip to the end. Abracadabra. Anyways, now I'm on this part. Because I don't want to waste my 40 minutes of recording. So I don't even know. Should I do the secret? Nah, I don't have time. And anyway. Jerome! Get over here, Jerome! Oh my god, I suck at this game. I'm only good at noise, bro. Because I'm so used to him now. Jump again. Got. I hate those guys. You're a disgrace to a pizza or whatever. No! Stop it! Hat jumped over you. Okay, let's do this. Run. I'm a ball. Bro, I just skipped that whole section. Boom. Get me down here. Whoa. Let's just taunted them. Oh my god. Boom, bam. No, get me up. Wee. No, no more. Jump. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm going Mach like, I don't know, 25 or something. I don't know. Stop it. Seriously. There's something seriously wrong with you. I would call child services as allergy. Oh my god. Full box or whatever. Get me down here. What, shift task? Yay! Okay. Get me in here. Get me the hell in here. Bro, the thumbnail is gonna look epic probably. Like, bro, it's only been 5 minutes. Whee! Get down. Dun. Oh, I got a minute left. I'ma do lap 2, man. Where's lap 2 at? Where the hell was lap 2 at, man? I forgot how to unlock it again. Yeah, what rank did I get? Hold up, guys. Technical issues real quick. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna have to stop and go back in. So, yeah. Yes, finally. Oh my god. Yay. What dead body? Lore? Is that lore? A dead Papino? Is that lore? Dun. Man, I'm not doing this. Pino, why do you look like that? Alright. Yes, this saved. Oh my god, I was so scared. Next level. Yippee! Oh, I was recording this whole time. Oops. Yeah, anyways, let's do whatever this is called. Let me see again. Hold on, what was it called again? Ancient Seas. Alright, guys, let's do this. Hold up. I always gotta break the brick. Break. Oh my god. Boing. The panicking. You guys don't mind. That was a really bad fucking voice crack. Why did I sound like Timmy from Fairly Godparents or whatever it was called? Guys, by the way, I will be like skipping a lot of parts because I don't want to make this video too long because we're already at 7 minutes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have it like maybe 20 minutes or something. I don't know. Oh crap! Oh no! Oh yeah, back to killing this guy. Well, I can't pause. No, I have a key. Yippee! Parkour! Dun. Oh crap! Oh no! Yeah! Time to take a bite of the next pizza because I finished the other one. Again. Walla wingo! Oh shit! Come on! What the heck? What the heck? What? You know, guys, I'ma end it here. Thanks for watching and subscribe.